When she came in and did marketing strategy, Grace was able to help increase our revenue 50% per year through what she recommended with PR, campaigns, marketing direction, advertising, and a combination of all of that. Since we hired Grace, revenue has been growing rapidly. And we've been able to increase our sales through a different approach that brings in more volume, helps us sift through the leads more clearly, and convert leads faster. Grace is professional, high octane, lots of energy. She has great ideas. She's a good listener. She understands strategy. Grace really knows her profession well in marketing. She really tries to understand the businesses she's working with, and that's one of the things I really like about Grace, is that she really takes an interest in what companies are trying to do and tries to piece together marketing with other aspects of the business. She works very well with executives, and a lot of that's based on her understanding of strategy and understanding the importance of putting marketing together with sales. You know, her ability to be friendly with people, her ability to listen well, her ability to be professional and strategic all together is part of the reason that she'd be fantastic to work with, and I highly recommend her. She provides excellent education to the executives of the value of marketing from a very high level. That marketing actually accelerates the sales process and accelerates the sales cycle. That's been very important and very valuable to our company, First Research, because one of the things we were dealing with was a long sales cycle. And Grace's ideas helped us improve our sales cycle and shorten our sales cycle so that we're pulling in business faster. She loves to connect people. And in fact, our Vice President of Sales was referred to us from Grace. And he's turned out to be a fantastic person. He understood beyond just our professional needs, but what we would need as a culture in our company. And I think that's really, really critical. And that's why he's worked out so well, and Grace is the one that's connected us. So Grace loves to connect people in the community. She loves to be professional, and she loves to be personable.